Nigeria secured a 12.1 million naira grant from Japan to develop a startup hub in Abuja, an ambitious move to position the country's administrative capital as a nucleus for tech innovation. The National Information Technology Development Agency disclosed the agreement in a statement on Thursday, following a signing ceremony at the Federal Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning in Abuja. The grant, courtesy of Japan International Cooperation Agency, will backroll the hub running from April 2025 to December 2030, managed by NITDA and the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority. The technology agency said it's part of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's Renewed Hope agenda, aiming to kickstart digital innovation, pull in private capital, and shun out jobs, potentially spawning Nigeria's next 10 unicorns. Budget and Economic Planning Minister Abubakar Bagudu in the part for Nigeria, with JICA's Deputy Head of Mission, Hitoshi Kozaki, signing for Japan. Part of the statement read, the National Information Technology Development Agency has formalized its partnership with the Japan International Cooperation Agency through a JPY 1.6 billion grant for the development of Abuja Startup Hub. While this new development has sparked reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV. Good night.